How to fix none option not available in Apple. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application on your device and then tap on your name on top of your screen. Here you will see the option for subscriptions, so tap on the subscriptions option you see there and then go ahead and cancel any active subscription if you no longer need them, as the none option may not appear while subscriptions are active. Next, go a step back and then tap on the media and purchases option you see there, and then tap on the view account option. Further, if you have any kind of unpaid balance, then go ahead and pay it first, as Apple may require a payment method until all charges are cleared. Now, go a step back and then tap on the family option there. Here, if you are a part of family sharing group and purchases, sharing is enabled, the none option may not be available, and you can ask the family organizer or leave the family group if appropriate. Next, open App Store on your device and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on your name again and then go ahead and tap on the manage payment option you see there, and further check if the none option is available here, and if not, then if you have recently changed your Apple ID or country or region, Apple may require a valid payment method to ensure all subscriptions are cancelled and balances are paid before changing regions. Next, go back to settings again and then tap on your name on top of your screen, and then tap on the sign out option you see there and sign yourself out and sign in again and check again, and your issue should have been fixed. If not, then in settings again, tap on general and then on software update, and further go ahead and update your iPhone to its latest version, as doing this might help you in fix the none issue. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix the none option not available. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.